Hey guys! Once again, this is Tria Urbano, and for today's video, I'm gonna share with everyone how I do my makeup for school. See, I'm in my uniform. Yes. Okay guys, I just wanna tell you, this is how I do my school makeup. So, hindi ko naman sinasabi na this is how you should do your school makeup kasi iba-iba naman yan eh. Meron dun sa school namin na naka maroon lips, purple lips, red lips, and that's okay. As long as you're happy and you're comfortable with your own skin and how you look, okay lang yun. Because it will boost your confidence, and that's actually the power of makeup. Not to impress anyone, but to feel good about yourself. So, I am a lip tint addict. I mean, I don't actually collect lip tints, pero I can't live without them. Tapos parang may akong, So, I put this on last night, kaya medyo ganyan yung color niya ngayon. Tapos, gratefully, yung lashes ko, let me zoom in, nakatayo sila. Pero hindi ko alam kung bakit because I haven't curled them yet this morning. Pero I did last night. Pero ang galing no, nagstay. Oh my gosh, buti pa yung lashes ko nagsistay. Let's get started. So first, we're gonna use a primer to prime our face, of course, para mag-stick ng mas matagal yung makeup natin and para mag-even out yung skin natin when we're using foundation and concealer. I also advise that you lather your skin upwards para hindi siya magsag because we don't want that. So now we're gonna have to conceal the dark spots and unwanted things on our face. Like as you can see sa akin, I have really dark under eyes. So I need a good concealer to conceal them. And alam naman natin yung triangle spots na kailangan i-highlight on our faces. And hindi lang yung dark under eyes, syempre pati na rin yung mga pimple marks and yung mga pimples mo na ayaw mo dyan sa mukha mo. And of course, we blend. Oh, ang dirty ng blending sponge ko, but pwede na yan. Yan, ganyan, blend. Blending is my cardio, you know, guys. Ayan, kung ano-ano lang, pindot-pindot there. Meron something dun sa noo ko. Ayun, oh. Madumi kasing sponge. So, sorry naman, hindi ko pa nalaban. Pero, mamaya tatanggalin ko rin yun. If you think the blending is over, it's not. Gumamit ako ng oval brush na makikita niyo sa Divisoria haul ko to even out what I put on my skin earlier. As you can see, yes. And now for the kilay. Everybody wants a good kilay. I mean, who doesn't, diba? So, I'm using 3 tools for my kilay. Yung brush, I think it's called a spoolie brush, yes. Tapos yung pencil. Actually, naubos na yung retractable pencil ko. So, yan muna. Okay, wag na tayong choosy. At saka, mascara. Brow gel, I think. That's what they call it. Yes, brow gel. And we're down to the next eyebrow, and we should pray that it's even with the other one. Like, dapat hindi siya masyadong fleeky or too overdrawn. I think overdrawn eyebrows are a trend now. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh, no. It's not fleeky enough. Okay. Ayan, so it has harsh outer parts, like yung square part dun sa unahan. So, we're gonna have to blend it with the spoolie brush and the angled brush. Angled brush ha, guys. Wag yung parang mema brush lang. Please, do it right. Okay, now guys, down to the brow gel. Ayan, ang hirap niya buksan. But this is from Max Factor in dark brown. Actually, my tita gave this to me for my eyelashes, but it complements more on my eyebrows. So that's where I use it, and I love it. Thank you, tita. Now, this is one of my favorite parts, the blush and the contour. Actually, hindi naman siya contour kasi nakikita niyo yung parang brown na shade doon. Parang siyang bronzer without the glitter. So, that's where I use my soft contour, but I don't do really hard contour sa school. Kasi syempre, di ba, you're just in school. But, of course, you'll never know. So, now we're just gonna have to blend. And dapat, until dun sa may bandang forehead, yung contour natin kasi ang pangit naman kapag bigla ka na may overwhelming cheekbones. And yung blush ko, nilagay ko lang siya angled, tinaas ko lang siya banda dun sa contour ko. Pero may iba-iba namang style ng paglalagay ng blushes. Yung iba ginagawa nila parang sun-kissed effect, but this is the look I'm going for, lalo na pag school lang. And now for my other favorite part. Syempre, yung paglalagay natin ng lip stain. This is not actually a lip tint na tulad ng binabanggit ko kanina, but it's something alike. So, ayan, we're just gonna have to draw on the outer corners of our lips and then fill in the inside. And now for our upper lip, dapat ma-emphasize yung Cupid's bow natin, kaya yun yung inauna, and the outer corners, and of course, fill out the inner part. So don't worry, hindi yan ganyang ka-harsh. We're gonna have to wait. And next, we're gonna have to curl our lashes using, of course, a curler. And I recommend dapat mauna yung curlers bago yung applying of mascara, kasi kapag nag-stick yung mascara dun sa curler, masakit and may tendency na ma-pluck out yung lashes nyo. So, tip naman in applying the mascara, dapat una sa roots bago yung sa tips, kasi masyado tayong na-overwhelm. Gusto natin mahaba yung tips ng lashes natin. Ang tendency naman nun, bibigat yung lashes mo sa tips and babagsak siya. So, dapat dun tayo sa roots mauna, at ang maganda pa dun, magkakaroon ng very soft and subtle eyeliner look after. Just waiting for it to dry out. Next, ito yung pinaka-ayaw ko. Yung paglagay ng contacts. Hindi kasi ako sanay maglagay ng contacts kasi nulang ako sa contacts kaya nahihirapan ako, but meron niyang grade kaya I have to wear them. Sa mga nagtatanong, I got it from EO in the color Slate Gray. Na ipipeel off na natin yung lip stain natin. Yes, medyo weird and medyo kadiri, but it works. Gusto ko yung result kasi nagiging natural pink yung color ng lips natin para mas, syempre pang school, diba? Ayoko kasi ng masyadong harsh lip color kapag school. Gusto ko very subtle lang and natural. So, ayan yung ginamit ko. And achieve naman. So, that's it guys for today's video. This is my school makeup. Naglagay ako ng konting highlight because, you know, a little glow up would never hurt. You'll see that! If you like my video or meron kayong part doon na pinaka nagustuhan nyo, please leave it at the comment section below. And if you like it, of course, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you didn't like it, still give it a thumbs up because it would hurt. I have feelings too, you know. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos and more random stuff, whatever, from me. Ayun, I'm wishing you all the best and nothing but happiness. Till next video, guys. Bye!